Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you are new into my channel, my name is Sonia. In this channel I talk about beauty, I talk about hair, and I talk about some lifestyle video, and I also do a product review. Any product that I buy, that I use, that I know that it do works for me, I get them and I do a review for you, my loved one. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you press that button there. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you press the notification bell so you will be notified once I upload a new video. Okay guys, into this video I will be showing you how I have achieved this face right here, and I use a new foundation that I don't usually use, that I had it in my kit for a couple of months now, but I did not use it. I used the Nars foundation, but I don't know how it was. I didn't really like the texture when I was applying it. I'm not saying Nars is not good, but I'm only saying based on my own preference, based on my own skin type. So I didn't like, maybe I don't know, I shouldn't say I don't like it yet, because this is my first time using it. I'm gonna try to wear it again one more or twice more and see how it's going to perform again in my skin. So without no further ado, can you stay tuned and keep on watching? Okay guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm applying my primer, and I'm using Smashball Photo Finish primer to smooth my pores out, and I'm also using P. Louis base in shade 3 to. Okay guys, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe, press the notification bell for any video I upload, and make sure you comment and like and share this video. Now I'm now using my custom palette from MAC. I can't remember the name of that particular eyeshadow I'm using, but I'm gonna list everything down in the description box. I'm now taking my Juvia's Spray eyeshadow palette and choosing on any color in there, like goldy color, to apply on my eyelid. Now move on to my foundation. Now I'm applying nice foundation, and I think the shade was too light for me, and I tried to mix my foundation together, but it was still light. But you know what, blending is the key. I make sure I blend this foundation very well, and the outcome was perfect and great. But for a start, when I was blending it, it was too light. But you know, I end up blend it very well out, and I didn't bother to use highlighter anymore. I didn't use any concealer anymore under my eyes, because I was like, my face was too bright. So the only thing I did is to use contouring, since I've used a lighter shade as a foundation. So I just did a reverse method, if that makes sense. I'm now using Makeup Revolution, and makeup revolution to contour my face. I'm now setting my face with Mario Disco, and I'll be going behind camera to go and put my eyelashes, and I'll be back. Am I using my Anastasia palette, highlighter palette, to highlight all my face, my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, and yeah. Well guys, that's the end of me applying makeup on my face. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, let me know your comments, and let me know which type of content you want me to be creating on my channel. I love you all, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye for now.